Oh yeah. Mike Stadler. For some reason I think I like him. Good like him. I'm gonna call myself name. Oh yeah. Okay. So I've got a 320 yard. Some of par 4. Where's my pin? Oh, it's down this way. So yeah, we just gotta. Okay. Pipe the drive. Come on. Boom! And wedge from here. Give it enough. Come on. Green. Feels a little bit, I don't know. Okay, so the line, I'm gonna have to put it real far to the right, I think. I think this is how this works. Oh yeah, okay. Par attempt. How about here? Driver at... Ooh, come on. Oh yeah.
Best day I've ever had.
Best day I've ever had. Go. Right here. Okay, that's fine. Spin left, spin left, spin left. Sit down. Oh no. Oh, that was bad. Okay, maybe not. Probably might say sign. Would be best to take there. Oh. Oh my goodness, actually. What was that for? Oh, 8.
Not good.
Be good. Oh, yeah. Okay. Not in the sand again. Always a miracle. One whole yard.
Maintain balance.
Oh, maybe. Oh,
Maintain balance.
that's great. Yeah, let's get in the hole. Give me my mulligan. Okay, give me another mulligan. Give me another mulligan. There we go. And get it down. Okay. This is par 4, but getting here in 2. Getting 1. Now, can we make the eagle? For the eagle!
Oh!
Birdie. That's actually. Go on! Go! Oh! That was so close. Pretty wide. Go. That was terrible. Go. That's just not enough, though. Okay. So far. Oh! Mustache, you've just set the worst round all-time record with a score of 93.